far as like making a claim goes for me, one of my biggest hesitations would be, you know, what happens to my rate if I file that claim?
So, due to a natural act of God, your insurance company can't legally raise your rates, but it does happen by zip code. And so if you get hit by a massive catastrophic event in the area, then your rates are probably going to go up, and regardless if you file a claim or not, just because they've got to make back that
Yeah,
money.
that's actually happened to us in the past. You know, we got the escrow shortage notification from our mortgage company because our insurance rate had gone up in the area and we hadn't filed a claim. It was, you know, it can be a frustrating thing for a homeowner.